Tutorial 6, Question 3a. The technique we've learnt for partial fractions requires the numerator to be a lower power than the denominator. So what we're going to do is we're going to split up the numerator in the way that I've written here. X squared plus 3x plus 2, which is the same as the denominator, but we didn't have 3x, we only had x. So if I make this 3x, I've got to subtract 2x to keep the expression balanced. And in the same way, we had 1 here, and I've got 2 here, so I need to subtract 1. I've now got these three terms over the denominator, which means I can split the expression to 1 minus 2x minus 1. Now let's just be a little bit careful. You could, if you like, draw brackets around that, because both of these terms are negative. I'm going to take this expression and work out partial fractions for that. So as before, we start by factorising the denominator. Let's just check it's correct. We're going to get x squared, we're going to get plus 2x, we're going to get plus another x, so that's plus 3x, and then we're going to get 2. So this correctly factorises the denominator, which means then that we can write a over x plus 1 plus b over x plus 2. I'm going to multiply the first term by x plus 2 over x plus 2, and I'm going to multiply the second term by x plus 1 over x plus 1, which means I've now got a common denominator for both terms, and because x plus 1 times x plus 2 is the same as this denominator, I can divide through by the denominator, giving me this expression. Now if I let x equal minus 1, I'm going to get minus 2 plus 1 is equal to a, so therefore a is equal to minus 1. And if I let a equal minus 2, substituting that into here, I'm going to get minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus b. So b is equal to 3. So that means this expression here can be rewritten as minus 1 over x plus 1 plus 3 over x plus 2. Now if you remember, that's not where we started. This is where we started. So I want to subtract that term from 1. So I'm going to get 1 minus this expression. The minus therefore becomes a plus, and the plus becomes a minus, and this is our final answer. However, as usual, we need to do a sanity check. We're going to put the values of a and b into this expression here. So a is minus 1, and b is 3. Minus x and 3x is going to give me 2x, which is what we've got here, and then minus 2 plus 3 will give me plus 1, which means that we can now be confident that our answer is correct.